Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Juni Purnawati. Saya mahasiswa PPG Bahasa Inggris Universitas Lampung Angkatan 2. Hari ini 18 Agustus, saya akan melakukan praktek pengambilan video untuk uji kinerja dengan materi narrative text. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today? Nice to see you this morning.
I'm fine, Miss.
Fine, Miss. Nice to see you too, Miss.
Okay, Dea, how are you today, Na?
I'm great, Miss. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, before we start our lesson, please one of you lead the phrase first.
Okay, Miss. Okay, friend. Before we start our lesson today, we pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
Okay, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, who is absent today, Na?
Nothing, Miss.
No one? No one?
No one, Miss.
Okay, good, very good, thank you. Don't forget to, to fill your attendance list in WhatsApp, and then also I have sent the absent in Google Classroom, right? Yeah, don't forget to fill your absent today.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, all of you, before we come to the lesson, how is your connection over there? Gimana koneksinya? Is it good?
Good,
Okay,
Miss.
thank you, Rosida. What about Renita? Is your connection
Good,
okay?
Miss.
Okay, and then
Yes.
Jessica, what about you? How is your connection?
Good, Miss. Good, Miss.
Okay, thank you. I hope until at the end of this lesson, your connection is okay, right? Okay. Do you still remember what we have learned last week?
Okay, thank you. I hope until at the end of this lesson, your connection is okay.
Okay. Before I start the lesson, do you still remember what we have learned last week, Na? Okay, Dea, do you still remember what we have learned last week?
Just quickly, Miss.
Last week we have discussed about nouns.
Miss.
Last week we discussed about announcements, Miss.
Yes, very good, Rosida and Dea. Last week we have discussed about announcement tag. Okay, and then today we are going to discuss about narrative text. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, what kind
I
of
like
story do you like? What kind of story do you like?
I like his story, Miss.
I see. And then what about you, Renita? Do you like reading? Intan, do you like reading, Nak?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what kind of story do you like?
I like fantasy.
Fantasy. And then what about you, Dea?
I like thriller.
Oh, trailer. Okay. Yes. Today we are going to discuss about narrative. The function of narrative text is for us especially is we can get the moral value from the story we have read, and then we can feel entertained after reading. Now I want one of you to read the first objective of learning.
I want to try.
Yes.
Oke, tujuan pembelajaran nomor 1, melalui pengamatan video dan presentasi PowerPoint, peserta didik dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial teks naratif terkait legenda rakyat sederhana dengan baik dan tepat dan penuh percaya diri. Nomor 2, melalui pengamatan video dan presentasi PowerPoint, peserta didik menganalisis struktur teks naratif terkait legenda rakyat sederhana dengan baik dan tepat dan penuh percaya diri.
Okay, for number 2 and number 4, number 3 and number 4, I mean, wants to read?
Okay, I can try, Miss.
Yes, come on, Renita.
Nomor 3, melalui pengamatan video dan presentasi PowerPoint, peserta didik dapat menentukan unsur kebahasaan teks naratif terkait legenda rakyat sederhana dengan baik dan tepat dan penuh percaya diri. Nomor 4, melalui penugasan individu peserta didik dapat menyusun teks naratif tulis pendek terkait legenda rakyat sederhana dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks, dengan baik dan tepat dan penuh percaya diri, Miss.
Okay, thank you Rasidah and Renita for helping me reading the objective of our learning today. Now I will show you video. Do you like seeing video?
Yes, Miss, I
Family who lived with his mom. His father is a sailor, but he had already died.
Marlin was a smart boy, but a bit naughty. He always chased a chicken and hit it with a broom until one day he slipped off and hurt himself. The wound left a scar on his head. When Marlin grew up, he decided to go to city, so one day he would become rich by the time he went back to the village. Marlin's mother disagreed with his decision because Marlin felt ashamed to his wife and the crew. Then he was gone. Marlin's mother was really upset. Then she started to curse him. On his journey, Marlin's ship began to shake. And soon,
That was the video. Okay, from the video, what is the video talk about, Nah?
The video talk about Malin Kundang, Miss.
Yes, it talks about story Malin Kundan, right? And then, who is the character of the story?
Malin Kundang, his mother, his wife,
And then?
And the merchant?
Yes, and the merchant. Okay, very good. And then, now let me show you the other example of narrative text.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, before we come to the other example, let me see what is a narrative text. Okay, anyone who wants to read what is narrative text?
Yes, I can, Miss.
Yes, come on, Diana.
Yeah, that's,
Okay, Dea. Is your connection okay, Nak?
narrative text. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find the resolutions to solve the problem.
Okay, thank you, Dea. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic event that it tries to find the resolution to solve the problem. And then, what about generic structure? Generic structure of narrative text. there are three generic structure. The first is orientation. Rosidah, can you help me?
Yes, Miss.
Mhm.
The first orientation, set the
Mhm.
scheme as
Mhm.
when the story happened and introduce the participant of the story, who and what
Yes.
involved in the story.
Okay, good. Next.
Complication,
Mhm.
tell the beginning of the problem, which ends of the crisis or climax
Mhm.
of the main participants.
Mhm. And then the
Last,
last.
resolution. The problem, the crisis, is resolved either in happy ending or in a sad or tragic ending. It consists of moral value of the story.
Okay, very good, Rosida. The generic structure of narrative text. There are three generic structure. The first is orientation. From this paragraph, we can see where and then when the story happen, and then from the complication, usually come to the second paragraph, where the problem is what is it increase, and then the resolution is whether the story is ending in happy ending or sad ending. Okay, now we come to the real, what is it, real example of narrative text. Now I have Snow White. Have you ever read Snow White before, Na?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Okay, who wants to read the first paragraph? Okay, Intan, can you read the first paragraph, Na?
Yes, Miss.
Mhm.
Snow White. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Snow White. She lived with her aunt and uncle because her parents were dead.
Yes. The first paragraph is called as,
Orientation.
yes, the orientation. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Snow White. From this paragraph, we can identify who is the character, and then where the event, and then from the for the second paragraph, who wants to read the second paragraph? Renita, maybe, Na?
I can, Miss.
Yes.
One day she heard her uncle and aunt talking about living Snow White in their castle because they both wanted to go to America and they didn't have enough money to take Snow White. Snow White didn't want her uncle and aunt to do this, so she decided it would be best if she ran away. The next morning, she ran away from home when her aunt and uncle were having breakfast. She ran away into the woods. Then she saw a little cottage. She knocked, but no one answered, so she went inside and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the seven dwarfs were coming home from work. They went inside. There they found Snow White sleeping. Then Snow White woke up. She saw the dwarfs. The dwarfs said, "What's your name?" Snow White said, "My name is Snow White."
Okay, thank you, Dea. From the second paragraph, we can identify that the problem is appear. In what sentence, Dea, that the problem
Um,
is appear?
Snow White didn't want her uncle and aunt to do this, so she decided it would be best if she ran away.
Yes, Snow White didn't want her uncle and aunt to do this, so she decided it would be best if she ran away. And then, for the last paragraph, who wants to read the last paragraph?
I'll try, Miss.
Yes, come on, Rosida.
Dog. One of I'm sorry, Miss. I can see it clearly.
Yes, I see. Okay, can you?
I'll try, Miss.
Uh-huh.
Dog, when off the drop side, if you wish, you may live here with us. So, Snow White said, "Oh, cool, oh, cool, thank you." Then Snow White told the dwarfs the whole story, and Snow White and the Stephen dwarfs live happily ever after.
Okay, thank you, Rasida, for reading the last paragraph. The last paragraph is called as
Resolution, Miss.
yes, resolution. Because in the last paragraph state that the Snow White live happy ending, or I mean, the story is end happy. Okay. Now we come to the next example of narrative text. It talks about the legend of Lake Toba. Okay, Lake Toba. Who can mention which one is orientation? Okay, any one of you? Yes. Which
Yes.
one is orientation?
There was a fisherman who lived in Batakland. His name was Batara Guru Sahala.
Okay, very good. Yeah, excellent. There was a fisherman who lived in Batakland. His name was Batara Guru Sala. And then a complication. Which sentence that indicate complication? Dea, can you?
Yes, Miss, I try my best. I
Mm-mm.
think he was trying to find that fish because the fish could talk and beg to set it free.
Okay, can you repeat, Sahala?
Yes, Miss. He was surprised to find that fish because the fish could talk and it beg to set it free.
Yes, very good. And then for the resolution, which sentence?
I'll try me.
Yes, come on, Intan.
Suddenly, the earth began to shake and volcanoes started to erupt. The earth
Mm-mm.
cracked and formed a big hole. People say that the hole became Lake Toba.
Yes, the resolution is start from the earth began to shake and volcano started to erupt. The earth cracked and formed a big hole. People said that the hole became Lake Toba. Okay, from this story, what we can infer, what is the moral value can we get from the story of Toba Lake? What is the moral value?
The moral value is we must remember who we are before we success and always proud of our parents because what we get now is from our parents too.
Okay, yes, it can be. And then any others answer or others idea? The moral value of the legend of Lake Toba?
We must fulfill our promise, Miss.
Yes, very good, Rosida. We must keep our promise. Yes. In the first, in the first paragraph itu said that Batara Sahala should keep his promise, but he broke his promise. Yeah. And then now I have once more narrative text. It is about the legend of Malin Kundang. Okay. Okay, may I move to another paragraph? Okay, finish.
Yes, Miss.
Now, I have 5 questions about the text. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Is it enough?
Enough, Miss.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to finish this question. Okay, is there any difficulties, Nak? Ada kesulitan?
Nothing, Miss.
Okay.
Nothing, Miss.
Nothing.
Okay, finish?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Intan, Dea, have you finished the question, Nak?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Now let's discuss number 1. Who wants to read number 1, the first question?
I can try, Miss.
Yes, you may. Time is yours.
Number one. Why did Malin Kundang and his mother had cows? His father had passed away when he was a baby.
Okay, very good, Renita. Thank you. Excellent, very excellent. And then number 2. Who wants to read the question number 2?
I'll try, Miss.
Yes, come on, Nak.
Where did Malin Kundang and his mother live?
Mm-hmm.
Malin Kundang and his mother live in the seashore.
Yes, they live in the seashore in a small village. Okay, very good there. And then the question number 3. Okay, Rosida.
Yes, Miss. Number 3. What does the writer want to tell to the reader in the paragraph 3?
Yes.
The writer want to tell the resolution of the text. It says about the end of the story.
Yes, very good answer. And then for number 4, what is the main idea? Yes, come on, Nak.
Number 4. What is the main idea
Yes.
of the third paragraph?
Mm-hmm. What is the answer there?
Yeah, the main idea of third paragraph is his mother is very important because Martinda rebels to her who had caused him.
Okay, thank you, Dea. Very good answer, very excellent. And then for the last question, who wants to read the last question?
I'll try, Miss.
Yes, come on, Intan.
What is the moral value of the story?
Mm-hmm.
The moral value of the story is we must keep remember who are we before we success, and always proud of our parents because what we get now it's from our parents too.
Yes. We must keep remember who are we before we success, and then always proud of our parents because what we get now is from our parents. Okay, before we come to the next task, is there any question, Nak?
Nothing,
No,
Miss.
Miss.
Nothing,
Okay,
Miss.
very good. Okay.
No, Miss.
Mhm. Now we come to the last task. I mean, this is individual task. Find and write a narrative text and then identify the generic structure of the text. Do you get the point?
Yes, Miss, I get it.
Okay, thank you, Rosida. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. Is it enough to find narrative text and then analyze which one is orientation, which one is complication, and then resolution? Enough 10 minutes?
Yes, Miss,
Yeah,
it's enough.
Okay, good. Okay, if you find any difficulties, you can ask me. Okay, everybody. Is there any problem with your connection, Nak?
Nothing, Miss.
No.
Okay, Miss.
Miss.
I have finished, Miss.
Okay, what about the others?
I have finished, Miss.
Yes, good, Renita. And then? Dea and Intan?
Me too, Miss. I finished.
And then Intan?
I have finished it, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Now, after you find and write a narrative text, please read, one of you maybe, or two of you, read your narrative text and then mention which one is orientation, which one is complication, and then resolution. Okay. Who wants to try first?
I want to try first, Miss.
Yes, good, Rosida. Come on.
True friends. Once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together. They knew that anything dangerous can happen anytime in the forest. So they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear getting closer toward them. One of them climbed a nearby tree at once, but unfortunately, the other one did not know how to climb up the tree. So, being led by his common sense, he lay down on the ground, breathless, and pretended to be a dead man. The bear came near to the one who was lying on the ground. It smelled in his ears and slowly left the place because the bears do not want to touch the dead creatures. After that, the friend on the tree come down and asked him friends that was on the ground. Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears? The other friend replied, "You just know the bear advised me not to believe false friends."
Okay.
The orientation is
Mm-hmm.
paragraph. Once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together.
Okay, very good. And then the complication start
The,
from?
com- the complication start from suddenly they saw a large bear getting closer toward them.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And then once of them climbed a nearby tree at once, but unfortunately the other one did not know how to climb up the tree.
And then for the resolution?
The resolution is wait, miss.
Yes.
Mm, mm, mm. Uh, uh, uh. After that, the friend on the tree come down and asked his friend that was on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friends replied, "Just know the bear advised me to not to believe a false friend.
Okay, based on your story, is it a happy ending or sad ending, Rosida?
It's a happy ending, Miss.
Happy ending. And then what is the moral value of the story?
A true friend in it
Hmm.
is a friend indeed.
Okay, very good story, Rosida. Very excellent. Thank you. And
Thank you,
then any
Miss.
others? Yes, welcome. Any others?
Yes, Miss. I can try.
Yes, come on, Nak.
Example of narrative text fable. The Ugly Duckling.
Hmm.
Once upon a time, a mother duck sat on the eggs. She felt tired of sitting on them. She just wished the egg would break out. Several days later, she got she got her wish. The egg cracked and some cute little duckling appeared. Pip pip, the little duckling cried quack quack. Their mother greeted in return. However, the large egg had not cracked. The mother duck sat on it for several days. Finally, it cracked and a ugly duckling waddled out. The mother duck look, looked at him in surprise. He was so big and very gray. He did not look like the others at all. He was like a turkey. When the mother duck brought the children to the pond for their first swimming lesson, the half-gray duckling splashed and paddled about just as nicely as the other duckling did. That is not a turkey chick. He is my very own son, and quite handsome. The mother said proudly. However, the other animals did not agree. They hissed and made fun of him day by day. Even his own sister and brothers were very unkind.
Okay, finish, Renita.
Very unkind. You are very ugly. They quaked. The little poor duckling was very unhappy. I wish I looked like them. The talk to himself. One day, the ugly duckling ran away and hid in the bushes. The sad duckling left alone through the cold and snow winter. Finally, the spring flowers began to bloom. While he was swimming in the pond, he saw three large white swans swimming towards him. Oh dear, this beautiful bird will love and pick me, too, he said to himself. But the swans did not attack him. Instead, they swarmed around him and stroked him with their bills. As the ugly duckling bent his neck to speak to them, he saw his reflection in the water. He could not believe his eyes. I'm not an ugly duckling, but a beautiful swan, he exclaimed. He was very happy from that day on. He swam and played with his new friends and was happier than he had never been.
Okay, enough, Renita.
Enough.
Okay, thank you. What a good story about ugly duckling. Okay, what is the moral value, Nak? Can you get from the story? Okay, Renita, can you hear me? What is the moral value of your story?
Moral. Wait, Miss.
Okay.
Could I help Renita, Miss?
Yes, Rosida, you may.
Uh, I think we must to be grateful what we have.
Yes, very good, Rosida. Very good answer for you. And then Renita, can you hear me, Nak?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. The moral value was answered by Rosida. Okay, thanks to Rosida finally.
Thank you, Ros.
Okay, now
Kita.
uh the rest I mean Renita already read for Dea and Intan and also Rosida, you can what is it? Send your narrative tag into our group class. Okay, nah? You get the point? Renita, Rosida, and then Intan and Dea. Don't forget to send your narrative or your task in our group class.
Yes, Miss.
And then I will check. And then I will check it later. Is there any question before we close our learning process today? Is there any question?
Nothing, Miss.
No. Is it clear enough?
Enough, Miss.
Yes,
Miss.
Okay, now we come to the reflection. Who wants to read the first reflection? What we have learned today?
We have learned today about narrative text.
Yes, we have learned about narrative text, and then what is the function of narrative text there?
That's to make us happy because we can read it and enjoy it. And we can know the moral of the story. And yeah,
Yes.
we can.
Yes, very good. And then for number 2, question number 2, which activity do you like most, Nah? Okay, from our learning process just now, which activity that do you like most?
Watching video, Miss.
Watching video. Do you like watching video, Rosida?
Yes. I like cartoon, and the first video is about Maling Kundang. And the cartoon is I like.
Okay, thank you. And then the last, did you find any difficulties when we discuss about narrative text?
No, Miss.
No, Intan? Is it clear enough for you, Nak?
Yes.
Okay,
Enough, Miss.
good. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining my class. Don't forget to read your book about recount text. We will discuss about recount text. And then stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to use mask when you go out your house. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss.
My pleasure.
I think
Thank you for
enough for
today,
today.
Miss.
Thank you, Rosida. You're welcome. I think enough for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you and bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes.